very much an awesome Boulder Opal here. This one is from Koroit. This opal is from Koroit in Queensland. I love this kind of undulating quality to it. See the metal follows the contours of the stone, and it's like this little pool of colour just in the middle there. Now there are 8 things that determine the value of an opal. Brightness is number 1, and this is so bright. I love how, and I love that kind of the big patches of colour as well, that blue-green. Now you're probably just thinking, oh, maybe because it's in this bright light that get all those colours, but not so, not so. So I'll show you what it's like even in, sorry, it's a bit messed up there. Even like in a shadow, all right? There we go. So that's, there's still a little bit of light, you need to have a little bit, but look how colourful that is even in low light. There we go. It's a really, really nice pendant. So 100% natural, not doublets, not triplet, not a synthetic, just a really captivating, simple pendant and a really good size as well.